What's up, everybody? It's game time, and tonight I'm going to open one of these two hobby boxes of 2019 Topps Baseball. Yay, yay, yay. I've already opened a jumbo box and got some really interesting hits out of there. Now this is only going to have one autograph or relic, just one, so it'll be interesting to see which that one is. Hopefully it's an actual hit and not just one of their manufactured relics. I think that they really should tell people. I know I went through this before when I pulled just a manufactured relic as my hit out of what was it, Series 2 last year, and I was really ticked. And anyways, so I was like carrying on about how I wish they would tell people that there is a chance that that's all your hit is going to be. But anyways, I digress. I'm going to pull the camera back so it won't be so close and we can look at these cards. I'm going to update. I don't know if anybody will combine these two. I guess the loyal watchers will want to know that out of the hobby box, the jumbo box, I didn't get a single short print variation. Not one. Zip, zilch, nada, none. I couldn't believe it. I thought for sure out of a jumbo box I would get at least one. I was actually thinking maybe even two, but it did not work out that way. I'll try to update in another video whether or not I get any out of this, so we'll see. Alright, kind of like the other box because there are so many cards, I'm just going to talk about the inserts and parallels, etc., etc. So there is the 35th anniversary, 84 reprint. Let's see, maybe that may be the only thing. You may only get one insert per pack, one or two. There's a couple of rookies there to start it off. Looks like, is that my hit already? Something in there. Oh no, it looks like, well, I don't know, maybe it is. We'll see. Let's just go. I do need to put, it's Jose Abreu relic, game used memorabilia. And it's really weird. Do you see how it's kind of like matte, but yet he's standing out? 1984 baseball relic. And that's it. That is pretty boring, actually, but so, and when I first opened this, I was stunned. Not stunned, that's a little bit too dramatic of a word. Surprised to see that there were, what am I doing? I'm picking up cards we've already looked at. That there was an extra parallel set going on, and it is the 150th anniversary, and it just has that stamped in gold. So that is available in addition to, there's Ohtani, in addition to their standard gold parallel, which of course is numbered to the year 2019. There's one right there, so I'm talking about it. It's right down there. I think these are 1 in 6 packs, so should get a couple here. In my jumbo box I ended up with 2 that were of the stadiums of PNC and Wrigley. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I just thought I'd mention it. There's a couple of rookies there. And then one of the home run challenges of Gleyber Torres. So this is the game where you can enter the code, pick a date, I think, that you think Gleyber's going to hit a home run, and if he does, you get some kind of prize. What type of prize, I am not entirely sure. So what does everybody think about the base design this year? I said I was on the fence about it, but the more I look at it, the more I don't like the name, the first name being small and that being big. I don't, that inconsistency I don't like. It makes it a little bit harder to read. Yeah, and I think I'm just not a fan of the design in general, honestly. There's a Verlander reprint. I'm glad they did something a little bit different, but I don't know, they kind of missed the mark. I think I'm in the group that misses borders, I think. First, when I heard people saying that, I was like, whatever, you know. Because if you grade stuff, you know, you're like obsessed with the borders. And then when you try to buy anything vintage and you're just like, oh, let me look at that centering. There's a Rosario reprint and a Topps Now Acuna. So what I'm saying is borders can, for some people, be a pain in the butt. But I think that's just part of what Topps is inherently. I mean, like, it's just, that's kind of like, I don't want to say their MO, but kind of, and it's just, I don't know. It just seems like they probably should just go back to it at this point, if there's enough people really asking for it. Alright, there is just a Sheffield rookie. So far, oh, there's Greatest Moments Ted Williams and Greatest Seasons Parallel Jeff Bagwell. I didn't realize there were 150 parallel versions of inserts. So that's the first one of those. That's interesting. And it is numbered. I thought it might be out of 150. Cool. Did not get anything like that in the jumbo box. Interesting. So far, no gold, no hollow foil, which, oh, there's something going on back there though, which I didn't even mention the hollow foil when I was talking about parallels here. And there is a Jeff McNeil gold rookie for the Mets and a Mike Leake hollow foil. So a double parallel pack there. Sweet. I think I only ended up with 2 gold parallels in my whole jumbo box. I don't know if there's a lot of value in the jumbo or not. I just wanted the extra hits, really. Luke Weaver reprint. And the hits ended up being actually pretty dang good. If you haven't already watched that video, I would highly encourage you to do so. It was, if you love Topps, base Topps, then it's worth a watch, because it had a lot of stuff in there. And I had not studied it up, so I was kind of stumped on a few things, but my hits were really interesting. Alright. Next gold is Suarez rookie. So that's 2 golds already. And a box that is obviously smaller than, oops, I'm trying to sort my rookies as I go through, although I'll have to look back through anyways to see if I have any variations. Any SPs or SSPs. Looks like we already have another gold. Wow. Alright then. And it is Senzatella. Yep. And a Ohtani Topps Now. Those, I guess technically they're inserts, but they're really kind of more of an advertisement than anything else. Killer rookie Suarez again. Ballpark Evolution Candlestick. Old version. New version. That's kind of cool. Alright. Haven't seen any more of the 150 parallels, unless I'm overlooking them. A Clayton Kershaw rookie reprint. They call it iconic card. Pretty cool. All right. Next up. Oh, I did pull a super short print numbered card out of that jumbo box. It was a Babe Ruth. I'll go ahead and tell you. It was numbered to 10. I won't tell you which card it was, though. It was actually really interesting. Garcia rookie. Mike Trout greatest seasons. I probably should be watching for short prints there towards the middle where the inserts are. I think that's where they typically fall or are placed. I'm going a little too fast to notice anything out of the ordinary though, so I think I'll have to break out some glasses and look at the numbers on the back. There's a 150. Cesar Hernandez. Schleble. A Aaron Nola reprint. And that's it for that pack. Breezing right on through here. Trying to go at a faster pace. The jumbo box video was really long. Chris Bryant reprint. And that's that one. Hope I get an autograph in the other box. Topps really should, if nothing else, they should be more consistent and just tell you, hey, you're going to get one relic in this box. Or give an auto and say you're going to give an auto. Don't be that if, because everybody knows at this stage of the game, you really want an autograph over a relic, especially if it's not even truly game used. Vasquez 150 and a holo of Division's Finest Talk Shop AL West studs. There's Ohtani. So I don't think you should just say you're going to get a relic. Oh, and even worse, if you end up with one of the commemorative manufactured relics on top of that. I mean, that could really be, it is a kick in the teeth. But I did get my one auto out of my jumbo box last night, and it was pretty good. But I'd like to get another. There's Acuna. Another 150 Altuve. That's a good one. There's Glaber. Last couple of packs. So there was no insert here, so I wonder if one of these two cards that were upside down are a short print. I don't think I'll be able to see that. Oh, maybe I can. Yeah, they don't look. They look to end in 1910, which is not short print. It's just interesting. There was no insert, parallel, anything in that pack. So, all right, I'll keep looking. Three rookies in that pack. Roger Maris, Greatest Moments. Last two. I do like the stadiums. The photography on these are really good, so normally I don't like cards like this, but I like it. It fits in this set. A Paul Goldschmidt Gold and a Chris Bryant rookie reprint. Gurriel Future Stars. It's a good pack. Alright, last one. Let's wrap this up. Schwaba. Looks like we might have another gold. We do. Luis Castillo. So I'm a little perplexed. I ended up with more golds in this regular hobby box than I did my jumbo box. So that's weird. All right. So while I've been going through this, I've been sorting, and I guess I should have done two stacks of this. These are all insert, parallel, and rookie cards. Of course, a lot of these are rookies, but there is a very decent stack of inserts and parallels here too. So if you're a fan of Topps Base, well, now's the time. Oh, there was the hit. Now's the time to get excited because it is here. And it's pretty interesting this year. I'm going to give it to them. It's pretty interesting. Oh, let me do my silver pack. I almost forgot. Almost forgot. I got a silver pack to open with this. Aguilar for the Brewers. O'Hearn rookie for the Royals. Mookie Betts. And John Schmaltz. So nothing too crazy there. Schmaltz, the Mookie Betts, I don't know. These two are good. Leave it at that. Those are alright. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment below if you have something you'd like to say. I'm all ears. Take care, and I'll be back soon.